if a patient feels that the doctor has not performed up to their performance and they think that it is due to their negligence that their loved one has died, is there any legal way to do that?
I believe this must have been a common question because of the lack of access to beds during these COVID times. There might be many who might have died, would have otherwise lived, if not for medical negligence. So there is, of course. So for instance, we under law we qualify medical services as a service under the Consumer Protection Act. So there is a consumer and service provider relationship between the doctor and the patient. So while it's also a sacred relationship, it's also a commercial transaction that we are paying some money to the doctor and the doctor is expected to give certain services of a certain class and quality. So in the event that that service does not meet the adequate standards, or if there is negligence on part of the doctor, which he should have ideally avoided, that leads to, there is of course a remedy that the patient has against the doctor. So they can file against the doctor, not only against the doctor, but on the hospital as well. So we can file a case. Ideally, you can go approach the consumer forum. And there have been various instances where successful compensations have been issued for people who have died or faced permanent injuries, permanent disabilities because of medical negligence. So medical negligence is definitely recognizable concern under law. And if those doctors who have committed such medical negligence, action against them, compensation against them can also be taken. Over above, if it's a medical negligence, you can also file a criminal case against the doctor, what we call as criminal negligence. So, and that is also can parallelly proceed. So patients who have faced injuries because of negligence, not only can they get compensation, but also some criminal action can be taken against the doctor.